Hey there, fellow vapers! Welcome back to the great and vaping world. Today we've got something exciting to unbox: the robust Lite Pod Kit. This pod kit promises to deliver a top-tier vaping experience with its advanced features. So let's dive in and see what makes the robust Lite Pod Kit stand out. First, let's talk about the packaging. On the front of the box, you'll see the name Robust Lite boldly displayed along with an image of the device itself. You'll also spot some key features highlighted, such as 6,000 puffs, dual modes, replaceable pre-filled container and pod, and TPD component. On the side, there's more important information, like the e-juice window and dual mesh. And of course, you'll find the necessary safety warnings on the front and the back, reminding you that safety is a priority. The packaging is sleek and well organized, giving you a clear indication of the quality inside. Let's get to the fun part, unboxing. As soon as you open the box, you'll notice that everything is carefully packed. Inside, you'll find the robust Lite Pod Kit, along with the user manual to help guide you through the setup process. Once you rip the plastic bag open, you'll see the pre-filled pod, the pre-filled container, and the battery, all neatly arranged and ready to go. Setting it up is super simple. Just remove the two silicone plugs, snap the pre-filled container into the pod, and click everything together with the battery. No complicated steps, just a quick and easy setup. Now let's talk about the design and build. The robust Lite Pod Kit is crafted with an aluminum alloy body, making it both durable and lightweight. It feels premium in your hand, and its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for extended use. One of the standout features is the transparent e-juice window, which gives you instant clarity of your e-juice level. This means you can reduce the risk of dry hits and ensuring a consistent flavor with every puff. Moreover, whether you are looking for a mellow puff or bold experience, you can effortlessly switch between turbo mode for powerful heat or normal mode for smoother draw. Robust Lite Pod Kit has 10 flavors: cherry ice, blueberry soy raspberry, pineapple ice, strawberry kiwi, watermelon ice, menthol, kiwi passion fruit guava, triple mango, double apple, cola. As for the specifications, powered by dual mesh coils, robust Lite Pod Kit offers exceptional vapor production and unmatched flavor intensity. In terms of battery life, the robust Lite Pod Kit is equipped with an 850 mAh rechargeable battery, which provides enough power for all-day vaping. The LED indicator helps you keep track of the battery level with colored lights: green, blue, and red. Whether you're looking for rich flavor, long-lasting performance, or just a sleek design, the robust Lite Pod Kit has got you covered. If you like this unboxing, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and click the link below to find out more. Also, make sure to subscribe for more high-quality vapes to come. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy freedom.